Today I'm going to be learning more about thesis statements, and I'm going to be answering these 4 questions. I'm going to be learning the answer to what is a thesis, what traits should make up a thesis, where does a thesis statement go in your expository essay, and how do I write a thesis? So first, what is a thesis anyway? So a thesis is the backbone to your writing. It is the idea that is supported by all of your reasons. It's what your essay is really focused around. So usually in an expository essay, you'll have different pieces of evidence, and they should all be tied together by your idea. Next, what traits should make up a thesis? A thesis should be strong, meaning you should really have enough evidence to support it. You should know what you're going to say about that topic. You should have enough reasons why your thesis statement is true. It should be interesting. So your reader should think, oh, I really never thought of that before. It should be something new to them. Next, it should be arguable. And this may sound like a weird one because you're like, why should it be arguable? But the reason is it shouldn't be plain fact, because there's a high chance that the reader already knows that. So it should spark their curiosity, and it should really hook them in and get them really interested in what you have to say. And last, it should be focused. It should be concise, and it should be around one topic, not wandering off to many. So where does a thesis statement go in an expository essay? So here we have our essay. So the standard structure for that is you have your intro, your body, your conclusion. Intro, body, conclusion. So your thesis statement should be introduced in the beginning. You should talk about your thesis statement that you're going to talk about for the rest of the essay. And you should wrap your paper up by mentioning your thesis. So in your intro and your conclusion is where your thesis statement will go. And this last one is a big one. How do you write a thesis? How do I write a thesis? Step number 1. Form a question around your topic. For example, if your topic is heroes, what makes a hero could be your question that you formulate your thesis around. Step 2. You should brainstorm your different ideas for your thesis and see which one actually is something you can support with enough evidence. So there are multiple different graphic organizers you can try to just get your ideas out there and see which one makes a lot of sense and helps to connect your ideas and group them and really formulate your thoughts. Step number 3 is to take those ideas and find which one that you can really back up with the most evidence, with either statistical data or reasons. You need to decide on the one that you think is perfect for you, that you can elaborate on the most. So what I really learned through this experience of finding a thesis statement, what really stuck out to me with this was the strong, interesting, arguable, and focused. That really, really popped out at me because it made me think about what is a thesis supposed to be all about. What did you learn from this video? Go ahead and let me know in the comments below.